Called Richards Bay. There's always a warning. Always, most of the time, there's a warning before the goal comes, and I don't think most people saw it. Ne, Tisikalila, Richards Bay. Da, 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 da. Now, what was this guy doing? Because now the fans, Bashayama Flake, now you want to score from here, and you're not even set up correctly. Petro sugar rush, sugar. You are giving the ball away for E. Okay, sharp. We get the ball back. Pirates here sneakers. Now watch. I said there was a what? There was a warning before the goal. Da. Nemtajela wenzani? He saves us. Utleri ball. Okay, no, win ball lapaya. Ball comes back. Same minute. Ball comes back. Ba. Inside. There was a warning. Guti la in the middle. Asimanga kahle. But azange simamele leyo warning. Phakathi inside.